So the question was, can I do my paper this way or this way? Totally up to you. Yes. Either way you would like to. Today I would start out by using a pencil for your actual landscape. So let's say we want to do a seascape, kind of like what you see on the Promethean board. So I've got some rocks closest to me. They would be in the foreground. So maybe I just do a line here of my rocks. And then there were a few more rocks over here. I'm just going to put them there. Now I had, the ocean was kind of coming in this way, but we see some, it looks like a beach coming out over here. And it's going to go like this. And then it had some like rock forms like this.
Oh, the trees?
Now, yeah, there were trees. I guess they're trees, yeah. You guys have better eyesight than me. And then this is my horizon line. So I did something like that. I'm going to add some clouds up in here.
Yeah, because she's an art teacher.
Okay, so what did we learn from the dot? We learned that we got to work for it, right? That's kind of our school motto, work for it. And try and practice. And then I'm going to do my rays through here. Didn't take me too long. I'm not spending too much time on this. Now, when I say that we're going to do patterns and not color anything in, this is all line detail. And it's going to look better the closer your lines are together, okay? So I want my water to obviously be blue. So pull me, let's see, I could do this, I could do this, I could do that.
Where's Sharpies?
We're using Sharpies today. We are not using, yep, you can do that. We are not using Crayolas. Okay, so I think I'm going to go ahead and start with my ocean. And we have the choice of, you know, this is the fine point and this is the ultra fine point. If you wanted to, you could outline your, we lost, somehow I lost it. I'm going to do my basic outline using the ultra fine point. But then when I go to do my little details, I'm going to use the ultra. Now I can make this all one pattern. I don't want to. I'm going to go throw in some waves. Now in each section I could do the same pattern kind of like this. Here I did waves. I don't know. And I could do all the same color in here. So you have options. You don't have to make yours. Yours should not look like mine. So in this section, I think I'm going to do, I want to make it kind of look like waves. I want to make it look like, is the ocean ever still?
No.
No. So I kind of want to show motion in my ocean. Motion in my ocean.
Is that at night?
Yeah,
That's because the gravity.
gravity. The moon.
It pulls it up. The moon one.
So I am going to I'm going to do, that looks like black. Is that looks, that's like navy.
That's black. That's navy. No, that's navy.
This is black.
No, this is black.
Black is this.
The tip is
It's
black.
blue.
This is black.
That's black. That's funny because in the last class somebody had a purple and it clearly looked purple, but it came out looking totally pink.
That
So
happens a lot.
you may want to test on a spare piece of
Sometimes you
paper.
want to look at the bottom. 'Cause sometimes it's strong.
No,
Yeah, sometimes you mix up the caps.
No, it's not always the color that it's on the outside. It's probably like darker or lighter.
All right, so say I did that pattern. I'm not finished in there, but I want to go ahead and move on in this box. I could continue that same thing throughout, but maybe this time I do waves. And I'm still going to continue to go. Okay, now I'm going to show you one other thing. I had some kids in my last class do some coloring in, and nothing should be colored in solid. This is all done with lines and patterns, okay?
Didn't you color them right there?
Nothing's colored in. The only thing I colored in was part of my, I colored these, but I used lines. So let's see if up in my sky, or up in my sun, I did these kind of waves. So I kind of went like this. And then inside the waves, I did something like that. If I want it to look more solid, and with these markers you can do that, it's tight lines close together. And basically, I don't know if you guys have ever done value cross-hatching. No? Okay, so there, that kind of looks solid, but if I want it to be even darker, go another direction. And it's gonna look a little more, the closer you get those lines. Yeah, I did not color anything in, and I don't want to see you guys coloring anything in. If you want it to look darker, nah, there's just a line in there, I see. Okay? All right, so you could do one big wave through this water if you wanted to. It's like, this kind of looks really cool.
Yeah.
If you look at these examples here, this water looks like it's swirling. Okay? This is gonna make or break your artwork right here. The lines and the patterns and how neat you do them. Okay?